Welcome to the world of speed, luxury, and innovative design, where we find the exquisite Zenvo Aurora. Born in the heart of Denmark, this hypercar boasts not one but two distinct models, the Agile and the Tour, each one a testament to modern automotive engineering. The Zenvo Aurora, with its price tag soaring over 20 million Hong Kong dollars, is not for the faint-hearted. It's a symbol of exclusivity, a statement of power and dominance. This hypercar is a beast that embodies both beauty and brawn, a perfect blend of form and function. Let's delve deeper into the design. The Zenvo Aurora is a marvel of contemporary aesthetics, sculpted to perfection. Its aerodynamic design cuts through the air like a hot knife through butter, and its low, wide stance gives it an aggressive yet elegant presence. The exterior, dressed in carbon fiber, is both lightweight and sturdy, a testament to the ingenious engineering that went into its creation. Moving on to performance, the Zenvo Aurora is a powerhouse. With a staggering horsepower of up to 1,850, this hypercar is not just about looks, it's about raw, unadulterated power. This is a car that doesn't just move, it roars, it screams, it dominates. The Aurora's power is delivered by its hybrid powertrain, combining the best of electric and combustion engines to provide an exhilarating driving experience. And let's not forget the unique features that set the Zenvo Aurora apart. The Aurora comes fitted with state-of-the-art technology, from its advanced infotainment system to its cutting-edge safety features. Every detail, every stitch, every component is meticulously designed and crafted to ensure that the Aurora isn't just a car, it's an experience. So, there you have it, the Zenvo Aurora, a hypercar that stands tall and proud, a testament to the power of human ingenuity and craftsmanship. With its stunning design, unmatched performance, and unique features, the Aurora isn't just a car. It's a work of art, a symbol of luxury and exclusivity, and with its high price tag, it's a dream reserved for the few who can afford it. But remember, the Zenvo Aurora isn't just about the price tag. It's about the experience, the thrill of driving a car that's been crafted with passion and precision. It's about the feeling of power and control that comes with sitting behind the wheel of a car that's been built to dominate. The Zenvo Aurora, ladies and gentlemen, is more than a car, it's a statement.